Texas case with national implications. This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101. A helicopter manufactured in 1997 by Bell Helicopter was involved in a fatal crash in 2017 after an engine cowling came loose and struck the tail rotor. The pilot died in the accident. Later, the pilot's family brought suit against Bell, alleging that the flight manual was defective for failing to include an explicit warning about the dangers of flying with an unsecured engine cowling, even though the manual included a checklist item stating that the cowling should be secured. The physical cowling and the fasteners were original to the aircraft and had not been replaced or modified. Bell defended itself by relying on the Federal General Aviation Revitalization Act of 1994, GARA. The background for this law is that some aircraft may be used for decades. In some cases, the family of a pilot who died in the crash of a 40-year-old plane might sue the manufacturer for damages. Fearing that such suits might put plane manufacturers out of business, Congress passed the GARA in 1994. It limited the liability for these manufacturers to 18 years after their original manufacture date. The plaintiffs responded that the period to sue had been reset because Bell periodically revised the flight manual in the years before the crash. The trial court denied Bell's summary judgment motion without explanation. Bell then sought relief from the Court of Appeals, which denied Bell's petition outright. Bell then turned to the Texas Supreme Court. That court held that the GARA's 18-year clock is only reset when a new part or component, including a substantive revision to the flight manual, is added or replaced and is alleged to have caused the accident. Because the engine cowling instruction in the manual, which was alleged defect, had not been revised since 1997, and no relevant new part was implicated, the crash was beyond the 18-year period, so the ruling was in favor of Bell in this case. Thanks for joining us. We really appreciate your feedback and concerns. And remember, you can always like, comment, and subscribe right below. And if you've got any ideas for a specific episode or topic, be sure to let us know in the comments, and we generally not only read all the comments, we try and take action based on them. And you can also see us at our website, drdavesavesamerica.com.